Hey guys, my name's Lisa and welcome back to another video. So today we're playing some more Bee Swarm Simulator and I am going to get the wool jellies. Also, the update is going to be on Wednesday, so that will be really exciting. I'm just going to tell you some stuff. There is going to be another step added to this, so there's going to be a step here which will have the diamond one, and then this step will be a little bit higher and it will have the 40 one for the Supreme, and it's going to be 10 billion honey. So yeah, 40. I've only got how much do I have? 32. I'm not gonna get that one. I'm also gonna go and kill the King Beetle and Tunnel Bear because I don't think I did that today. Oh, it's Buckles. And also, if you've seen this, oh my cat. If you've seen the test realm, you'll know that there's like Mondo chickens and Commander chickens and stuff, and spotted chickens. And then there's this, I'll tell you soon. Just need to kill the King Beetle. Right? I didn't get everything. Where's the, the blue extras. Okay. So yeah, there's also going to be some vines, blocking off an area up here, just up here, this area right here. And then there's also going to be, what was I going to say? A fuzzy bee. I knew it was going to be a fuzzy bee. Yes, fuzzy bee. So yeah, and also the flowers. They look horrible. Oh, it looks so weird because like when you're seeing a field from far away, or if you're seeing it like this, like this angle right here for the clover field, it looks so weird. And I just don't like the look of the new flowers and how there's like 3 and stuff, and there's like little zigzaggy lines in them. It just looks weird. I don't like it. But everything else is good. I just don't like the flower changes. So yeah, we're going to get into this episode by doing a stick bug soon. If I've got one ready. Why did I do that in the middle? Okay, yeah, I'm just going to check if I've got the stick bug now. So yeah. Ooh, hello. I can hand you a question. What is it going to be? I think it was either just blue or plundering pineapples. I think it was just blue. Yep, just blue completed. A bit of both. Please say I've got one ready. I don't think I did mine today. Please. I said please. Okay. No! Dang it. Can someone do the stick bug challenge? Okay, I'm gonna go and get some unlimited gumdrops and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, there we go. Reset character. 3 glues, unlimited gumdrops, duration 3 minutes. Pretty good. So yeah, let's go and do some Cloverfield. We need a lot of goo from Cloverfield. I'm just going to do auto on right now. Who cares if I'm dropping them into the sky? I get unlimited. It's ready for as soon as I get down into the field. Okay, how do I usually set them up? I go, in a triangle obviously. 1, 2, and then the last one over here, 3. So yeah, I'm just gonna grind out some Cloverfield because I really need to finish this quest. I'm so close. And then I'll be on the last quest of Science Bear so I can talk to Riley B. Yes. Also, Ethan did 2 different videos today, so go check those out if you want to. I really need to finish this quest. I really, really badly want to finish this quest, but I just want to do everything in the game, and I want the new update. I want so many things. Oh no, I used 4 because I didn't realise that it was leaving so soon. They'd only done 2 million, that's not good. Oh, awesome Mama Kelly. Get all these blueberries. Also, how close am I for this? Oh, really close, okay. I'm gonna go and do the tunnel bear because, like, why not? Why wouldn't I do a tunnel bear today? And I said I would earlier. So, yeah. Tunnel bear, I am coming for you. Tunnel bear, I am coming for you. I probably won't do a Beastorm video tomorrow because I really want to just, I don't know, why am I not going to do it tomorrow? I don't know why. I just can't wait for the Beastorm update, but I don't want to make a video. I don't know. 12 hours, come on. I think I might do a video then tomorrow, cause 12 hours, Exit this tunnel. Oh, it's night time now. So, what do I need to do for... Oh, you're already done? Seriously? Okay. Tunnel bear. You never let me down. Or do I? Oh, I got a magic bean. Oh, yeah, only 1 quest a day. I mean, 1 quest every, like, 1 hour. Do 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 do. And in 5, 4, 3, boom. Didn't even have to say 2 or 1. Okay, I got 3 stingers, and I've already done a vicious bee today, so didn't get a bonus. 808 of that. Wow, Tibby Love is amazing. I love Tibby Love. I love Tibby Love. So yeah, also I think I've thought of something to do for this episode. Right? Kill the wolf. Boom. Check my stuff. Please, 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 please. Ah, so close. I'll just have to buy some then. I'm gonna do a little bit of spending. Oh, but then what if there's something that comes out that needs tickets? Oh. I'm gonna have to spend some. Because I want to get a, the thingy today. 1 million. How much is that? Because I want to get the honey mask today. Okay, still some more. Oh my god, I need like 10 more. No, 9 more. If I get 10 treats there. Okay, that's been a little bit. But I have done it with the 10,000 treats. I'm gonna have 1 treat left over. Wow, that's so sad. Oh, am I sure I really want to do this? I need to buy 5 golden eggs. Oh, that's gonna go do a big dent with 250 tickets gone. This is gonna hurt a lot. This is gonna hurt a big amount. No, 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 no. 5 golden eggs. How much do I have left now? 135. That's so little. Oh. But I have the golden egg. I have the golden egg I need. Hatches into an epic, legendary, or mythic bee. I could get a mythic bee out of it. But instead I'm just using it to get this. Oh, it's only 1% mythic though. So yeah, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for me to get rid of all of my golden eggs I just spent a lot of tickets on, and all my treats and other stuff? Oh, 9,999 treats. 50 oils, 25 enzymes, 5 golden eggs, and 100 million honey. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, boom. I got the honey mask, guys. Look at it. Oh my god, I've got all 3 of the low tier masks now. Yes. Oh my god, finally. And then boom, there's the coin scatter. Cooldown is 2 minutes. Okay. Also, is it every 2 minutes that... Oh no, every 20th mark token converts pollen equal to 300% of your hive. Okay, so that's cool. I'm going to try that out in the clover field. Oh, I finally have it now. I've got all 3 of the low tier ones. So whenever I get the high tier ones, I can also use the abilities. Yes! Oh, they're all gone though. I'm back to having hardly any of that. And then if you check my ingredients, they're really low now. And then my honey had a little dent in it. Not that much though, because I got a lot of honey. But let's do this. I'm going to put my gumdrops to auto on since I need them for my quest. So, in 45 seconds, every 20th mark token I collect will give me that ability. I really want to see that ability. Ethan thinks it's horrible and really annoying, but I don't think it would be. I think it would help really nicely. This will probably be the mask I use the most, and then whenever I need blue pollen, I'll switch to bubble, and then when I need red pollen, I'll switch to bubble. But this is like a multicolored field, so I'll use the white one, which is like the yellow, the honey mask. 6 seconds. And boom. Okay, it's at 0 at the moment. And then... Oh, did I not get that one? Wait. Okay, that went up 1. So it's every 20th, is it? What? Every 20th, yep. Boom, another one. So that's at 5 now. There's another one here. Goes to 6 and then goes to 7. Oh, there's another one here that's going to go to 8. It's at 8 now. Wait. Oh, it didn't go to 8. Why not? Still at 7. It's lagging kind of. Ah, why is it lagging so much? I don't want it to lag too much. Wait. Stop lagging. It's at 9 now. It says up there. It's at 10 now. 11 out of 20, guys. Yes, we're nearly there. 12. Come on. Yes. Come on, let's go. Give me some more. 13. Let's go. I need it. Give me some more, please. Oh, there's 2 more. Oh, I got 1, 15, no, 14, 15, 16. And I'm gonna get Panda Bear. Boom. And there's another one, 17. 18. We literally need 2 more. 19, 1 more. 1 more. And... wait, I keep missing it. Boom. Okay, now I just need to get all of these somehow. Okay, I can see how this could be really annoying. I want to see if... what, do they disappear? If they disappear, that'd be really, really annoying. So far it doesn't look like it's disappearing though. Unless it has, and there's... no, they don't disappear, I don't think. So you just have them sitting there for ages. Do you? Yeah, I think they literally just stay there. I got 1,300,000. Well, that was amazing, wasn't it? And now we're going to take a photo with the honey mask. Wait, I need it to... okay, up here, yep. And... I want my cup buddy in the action too. Where's my cup buddy? Oh, it's over there. And why the honey storm? I'm not going to summon a honey storm. I'm just going to wait for this honey storm to be over. Oh, gotta go. Sorry, bye. Okay guys, so I've logged back in so I can actually read what it says now instead of it going all the way over. So yeah, passive coin scatter. Every 20th mark token converts pollen equal to 300% of your total hive conversion into honey tokens. And cooldown 2 minutes. And then here it's honey mask is plus 25% pollen, plus 25% pollen from bees, plus 50% honey from tokens, plus 80%, no, plus 80 convert amount, plus 30% defense, plus 15% bee ability rate, and plus coin scatter. So yeah, gonna take the thumbnail, but a photo for the thumbnail, but I need, okay, I'm not on brown bear anymore. I'm normal. Boom. Oh, I got that picture just before baby laser turned me into a panda. Wait, did I actually get it? Yep, I got it. So look at me in my amazing helmet, my honey mask. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna go and start doing some repeatable quests. Cause like, why not? Some repeatables are why. I'm gonna do. What was that? What was that mushroom? One with mushrooms. Okay, I'm back again. So, Mushroom Field 5. I'll quickly do that. See if I get a Star Jelly. Probably not, though. Because of stingy brown bear. Very stingy brown bear. Always giving me things I don't want, but never giving me the things I do want. Okay, nearly done. Because it's literally really easy. And boom, done. Oh, and I've also finished Spooky Stew. So I can hand that in as well. So yeah. Jump. Jump. Up. And jump again. Just keep jumping. Okay. Hand in. Great job, bud. Here's some royal jelly. Please, please, please. Urgh. Dang it. Pumpkin and patch 5. Dang it. Stupid brown bear. I won't get any of it, I'll just go and hand in the polar bear quest. And I'll also go up there the old fashioned way, because like why not, I'm just going to walk there. Or glide as well, walk and glide. Also, is there any goods in the spider today? What have you got in your cave? Oh, you're hoarding some field dice, eh? Oh. Okay. So, I've got spooky stew to hand in. And then that's it. I'll just hand in the spooky stew and then we're done. Also, I know that last video was actually shorter than usual ones. I just wasn't feeling doing too long of an episode. I'm pretty sure it wasn't that long, was it? Oh no, it was 21 minutes. 59 seconds. I thought it was like only 17 minutes. Oh, and my Obby one for the ice cream parlour, that was only 14 minutes and 34 seconds, but also that part was a little bit weird because I had to block out the you know what word because Ethan said it, so I had to re-record the whole thing again, and then I had to just do a noise or whatever at one point of it so that it would be blanked out. So please be good. No. Polar bear, you stingy. Extreme stir fry. Yeah, I've already done the werewolf, so I can't get that. I'll just steal a white jelly bean, why don't I? And then quickly just go and do... Oh, I also did the spider, that's annoying. But I'll just quickly do the scorpions and then end it off here. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then please be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit that like button as hard as you can. And then I will see you guys in another video. So, goodbye.